found this in my October magazine. 3 minutes to microwave chocolate pudding, a recipe that works. So I thought, we all love chocolate in this house, let's put it to the test. Now, divide 1 tablespoon of cocoa equally between 2 standard mugs. So there we go, we'll have half in there, the other half in there. Simple. Add 1 tablespoon of syrup to each. Mix into a paste. It might be a good idea to take the lid off before you start vlogging. Right. Mix into a paste. So that. Don't you just love family videos? Can you see in the bottom of the mug, we've mixed it into a paste, and now I've got to do the other one. So measure flour, caster sugar and remaining cocoa into a medium bowl. So 1, 2. Can you count with me? 3.
I can't.
Okay. 4. Mummy will do the counting. 5 and 6. I was just a bit worried that maybe some of those were heaped and shouldn't have been. Then we need the caster sugar. Here's the caster sugar.
And then,
2.5.
And here's 1 egg, Mummy.
I've got an egg. Yeah, I need my egg in a minute. 1, 2.5. One, a bit more, and a half of that.
And there's more cup of tea.
Crack in the egg, girls.
Yeah.
Ooh. 1.5 tablespoons of a mild oil. So let's go with that.
Can I help you?
Yes, of course you can. 1,
2,
and 2. 1.5. Now it doesn't say how my mixture should be, but that looks puddingish. Now to that I am to add my chopped white chocolate and mix that. Stir that in. What that looks like now. Alright. And now we have to put it into the microwave, which is 800 watts on 1 minute and 10 seconds. Isn't that nice, Alice? Bessie? Is that tasty? There we go. That is the finished result. Now I think we'll turn it out onto a plate anyway, but it looks enormous. You can see we have our 2 chocolate puddings here. They're still hot. My question to Good Housekeeping is, would the times change if I was to do them into individually smaller? But maybe we'll have to try that again. Let's just see. There. Ooh, goodness, look at that. Delicious. There we go. You can see the white chocolate bits in there. It's enormous, and the recipe says, there, 640 calories. Oh dear. But in its deliciousness, I suppose that would serve about 4 people really, wouldn't it? And there's another one over there, so let me taste it for you. That's my next job. Now for the hardest bit, of course, is the tasting. My God, that is delicious. I don't think even I could eat all of that in one. Well, I could, but I can't. I mustn't. It's naughty. But it's a kind of a stodgy pudding mix. Absolutely delicious. And like I say, that was done in 10 minutes. So if you had people at the table, you could do that and serve it with some cream, or even some, well, custard, ice cream. delicious. I can't stop eating it.